Being here today is a wonderful experience to see so many women, even men, supporting women. I think it's a great opportunity for us to learn more about breast cancer, and to have something in our community is fabulous.
I had found the breast cancer myself and took the basic actions to overcome it. I had chemo and radiation, and it wasn't that bad on me, but guess what? I'm here today. I'm a living testimony of breast cancer.
It's a great day in Compton. I'm Satra Zurita, Clerk of the Governing Board of Trustees of the Compton Unified School District, and I'm also the Compton City Clerk. We're here at Centennial High School. We're culminating, but we've been here since 7 this morning for the 14th annual Compton Walk for a Cure, another great success. And this event is to provide education around the benefits of early detection. 1, 2, 3. It's a great day.
10 years ago we started, and from that day to now we've tested over 750 women at this location. And in those 10 years we found 175 nodules, which actually was tested and found to be cancer.
You don't have to succumb to cancer, especially breast cancer. It can be cured if you detect it early. So that's what this event is about, detecting, finding, and detecting breast cancer early to increase survival.
A lot of you all have been following us for over the 14 years, and we want to thank you because just like the sign over here say, sisters don't let sisters fight alone.
We have a president who is making major cuts to healthcare. And so St. John's, which is a nonprofit organization, has decided that as a community health center, we need to step up and fight back.
To every survivor, make sure you tell your story, how you survived, how you kicked the door in, and how you're snatching people to make sure that we educate so that no one else have to live and die by this thing called cancer.
And I want to thank all our sponsors, UPS, Sloan Stephens Foundation, St. John Community Health, Dr. Allen, Home Depot, and many, many others. And we want to thank them. We couldn't do this event without them. I want to thank Superintendent Darren Brawley for always helping me make my dreams come true. And I want to thank my board colleagues for supporting this event every year. This is a life-saving event. Women have ultrasounds. We've found over 150 undetected masses in the past. Hopefully we don't find as many this year because people are practicing their monthly breast exams. So it's a great day in Compton. Thank you. And we'll see you next year, the first Saturday in October. That'll be the 15th annual Compton Walk for a Cure.